friends, welcome to Beauty with Karah, where we talk about all things beauty. Today we're going to be talking about primers. Hello there everyone, so we are continuing our Makeup for Beginners series. So if you are just starting out learning how to do makeup or you want to take it back to the beginning, I will link my Makeup for Beginners series up above. So today we are going to be talking about primers. And there are tons of different primers out there, but I'm going to be focusing on 4 different primers that you can use during your makeup routine. But before we talk about primers, I want to talk about prepping the skin. So if you aren't currently using a skincare routine, it's very important to find a routine that works for you to help keep your skin well cared for. So I will link up my skincare for beginners series up above so that you can figure out what your skin type is, how to find the right products for you, and how to find a routine that will really work for you. So if you're not already using a routine, I would recommend at least starting with a cleanser and a moisturizer, especially right before doing your makeup. Makeup is going to look better when you put it on a clean and cared for face than if you don't do anything for your skin and then you put makeup on. So makeup isn't really a fix-all, it's really just going to help accentuate some of your features, and if you're not taking care of your skin, makeup is only going to do so much. So make sure you go figure out a skincare routine for you, and then we will get started with our makeup. So going on to primers. So there are tons of different primers out there and they all have their different benefits, but I'm going to specifically be showing you the ones from Mary Kay because that's what I love and use. So the first thing we're going to talk about is a foundation primer. So a foundation primer is used right before your foundation all over your skin. So the way you would apply this is just to gently rub it all over your skin in circular motions, and a foundation primer is used to protect the skin from your foundation. It is to fill pores, so most primers out there are a pore filler, and then it helps to create an easy application for your foundation, and it's going to help your foundation look better and last longer. So it's very important that you use a foundation primer. So the one I'm talking about today is the foundation primer with sunscreen. So it has SPF 15 in it. It is a lightweight gel, it's oil free. It dries quickly into a matte so that you can put your foundation on super easily. It absorbs oil and diffuses light to reduce appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and pores, and it's for all skin types. So that is the Mary Kay foundation primer. So I love this foundation primer. It's super soft and silky, and you can actually use it by itself. So if you don't feel like using foundation for the day, just put on the primer, and then it's going to help protect your skin from the elements of the world, and also it has the SPF in it, so even if you're going outside, you're still getting that protection. So that's why I love that so much. So the next primer we're going to talk about is eye primer. So this might be something that we overlook because we don't think we need it, but an eye primer is actually going to help your eye colors look more vibrant, look better, last longer, and the Mary Kay eye primer specifically helps extend the wear of your eye colors. It actually helps prevent creasing and smudging. So if you have super oily eyelids, this is very, very helpful because it's going to help keep it all in place. And if you have more mature eyelids, a lot of creasing can happen, so this helps prevent that as well. So I definitely love this. If you're using mineral eye colors, this is definitely a must. So what you would do with this is you take a little tiny amount and you just dab it onto your eyes all over, and it's just going to help your eye colors look so much better. Okay, so the next primer is one that a lot of people might not think about or know about, but this is the Time-Wise Age Fighting Lip Primer. So this goes on like a lipstick before your lipstick, so it's just basically lipstick but a primer, and it goes on right before your lipstick or whatever you do with your lips, and it has age fighting ingredients. It helps your lipstick wear a lot longer. It actually reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on the lips and around the lips, so you can actually put this on and a little bit around the lips, and it helps prevent feathering and bleeding of your lipstick. So I think that's really awesome and very helpful, and I didn't know about this until recently, so this is definitely a must try. Hi friends, so I just wanted to jump on and share with you some fun announcements. So tons of new things that are happening. If you didn't know about our Etsy page, my sister and I have worked together on a page there, and she has been non-stop making these adorable bats. Look how cute they are. So they are fluffy, they're like stuffed animals with a little bit of beading at the bottom so that they stand up, and you can put them however you want. They're like hand sized. They're adorable. She has tons of different kinds of them, different colors. She also customizes them if you want, so go check that out. And then I have some new products as well, which I am wearing right now, which are these cute, adorable flower earrings. So if you can't tell, I love flowers. I have a ton of these things. So I have these guys, and I have some of these. These are like similar but like multi-color. I have some orange ones. So I have a ton of different ones going up. I also have like smaller ones, so I have different sizes as well. So those are all going to go up on Etsy. The link will be down below. By the time you see this, they'll all be up for you to check out, and there's different styles and stuff like that. We can also customize, so make sure you message us if you want something specific. We have no problem customizing anything. And then going towards the skincare and makeup side of things, so I will be doing with my unit a super fun summer launch event. So it's going to be fun in the sun, summer care, and summer products. We are just launching a bunch of new summer products, so everyone's going to be able to try them. We're going to learn about sun care, how to use it, the order of application, all of that stuff. Try out some new products that are coming out. So if you want to check that out, the registration form will be down below. All you have to do is click it, fill it out real quick, and then a consultant will contact you and basically confirm your information. So if you don't get contacted within like a 48-hour period, go register for that event again, just in case, so that we can make sure that we get your information. My information is also at the bottom of the description in case you don't get anything and you want to make sure that you're in the event. You can contact me and I'll make sure you get into the event. So I think that's it for now, so make sure you check those out and stay tuned for future events. So we do an event every month, so you can always check back on one of those links and the newest event will be up. So whenever you want to join an event, but if you do want to join the summer event, you have until the last day of May to join that, so make sure you go and check that out. Alright, so let's get back to the video. And last but not least, this is one of my favorites, and that is a lash primer. So a lot of people might not even think about a lash primer, but a lash primer helps prime the lashes so that the mascara doesn't stick right to the lashes, and it helps your lashes look fuller and more volume, more length. So this one specifically gives your lashes more volume and length under the mascara that you choose to use. You can also use it by yourself because it's a clear formula instead of a white formula, and it actually helps lift the lashes and keeps your lashes curled longer. There's no flaking, and it helps resist the flaking of the other mascaras, and it gives your mascara more wear time. So this is super, super helpful. I find that it's a lot easier to put my mascara on when I use this first, because this is like so soft and it just like glides on your lashes, and then when you put your mascara on next, it makes the mascara look better, it helps it go on better. It's just like one of my favorite products. So definitely using a lash primer is super helpful. And you would just put on the lash primer like you would a normal mascara. So yeah, those are the 4 different kinds of primers you can use as you do your makeup. So just to recap, we have a foundation primer to go on right before your foundation, and you would just put that on like a foundation or with your fingers. And then you have your eye primer to go on before your eye colors, so you would just dab that onto your eyelids. You have the lip primer to help with your lipstick situation, and you would just put that on like a normal lipstick because it comes in a lipstick tube. And then finally, your lash primer to help your lashes look better and stay longer and just go on easier, and you put that on like a normal mascara. So I hope that was super helpful, and I hope you like this series that I'm doing where I just pick apart every little aspect of makeup world so that you can learn about each product and how to use it and how it kind of goes with each other. So primer is the first thing that you would use. So if you're going to use a foundation, you put a primer first, and then if you're gonna go do your eyeshadow, you use a primer first. So you don't have to put all your primers on first and then everything else. You can just put the primers on as you go if you're gonna do that step next, if that makes sense. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if there is a specific product you want me to talk about, then let me know down below in the comments and I will make sure to add that to this series. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for more videos every Thursday. I will link the Makeup for Beginners and the Skincare for Beginners series over there, so make sure you go check that out. Don't forget to check out the newest beauty experience and go get your freebie. All the links will be down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.